So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 6 of chapter number 8, that is trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. In the previous part we have learned about some trigonometric ratios for some specific angles. Okay. Now in this video or in this class we are going to learn trigonometric ratios of some complementary angles. Okay. Now what is the meaning of a complementary angles? We have already learned this one in the previous classes. Complementary angles means if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, we say it as complementary angles. Okay, so let us start now. Now we have a triangle ABC. Now in this triangle ABC, okay, angle B is a 90 degree. Okay, if angle B is a 90 degree, then we can write here angle sum property. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Now this is what angle sum property of a triangle. So now already we are having value of this angle B. Okay, that is how much? 90 degree. Okay, now angle A plus angle C, if we are changing the side of this 90 degree, so finally we get angle A plus angle C is equal to how much? 90 degree. Now what does it mean that angle A plus angle C is 90 degree? Means angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Okay, now we are going to use this property and find the relation between some complementary angles. Okay, now let us consider a triangle. Here already we have written a triangle, that is triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is a 90 degree. Let us consider angle C as theta. Okay, already we have learned that there is some relation between angle A and angle C. What is that relation? These both are complementary angles. So if we consider angle C as a theta, angle A will become 90 minus theta. Okay, suppose if you have angle C as a 30 degree, so angle A will become 90 minus 30, that is 60. In that same way, if angle C is a theta, angle A will be 90 minus theta. Okay, now we are going to find some trigonometric ratios for this angle theta and then for angle 90 minus theta. First we will write trigonometric ratios for angle theta. Okay, now for this angle theta, AB is the opposite side, so let us write here opposite side. Okay, and this BC is adjacent side. Okay, so we'll write here adjacent. Now this AC is what? It is the side opposite to 90 degree, so this AC will be hypotenuse. Now we have already learned the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so that is what? Sine of theta, that is this angle theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So now which side is opposite? So that is AB. Okay, so we are having AB upon AC. Then cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so we have BC upon AC. Then tan theta opposite upon adjacent, so that is AB upon BC, that also we have written here. Then we have cot theta. Now what is the ratio of cot theta? Adjacent upon opposite, so BC upon AB. Okay, then sec theta, we have hypotenuse upon adjacent, that is AC upon BC. Okay, then cosec theta, it is hypotenuse AC upon opposite AB. So the ratio is AC upon AB. Now we have written here ratios for angle theta. Okay. Now let us write ratios for 90 minus theta. Now when we are going to write ratios for 90 minus theta, opposite and adjacent sides will change. How it will change? Let us see it. Okay. So now here in this figure, now we are going to find a ratio for this 90 minus theta. So for this 90 minus theta, which side is opposite? Now BC is opposite, AB is adjacent, and AC is our hypotenuse. Now what we are going to do? Again same condition, we are going to find our trigonometric ratios for all the given angles. So now sine 90 minus theta, so that is this one is what our ratio is opposite upon hypotenuse. So it will become BC upon AC. Then cos 90 minus theta, so it will become adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC. Then tan 90 minus theta, so it is what opposite upon adjacent, so that is BC upon AB, that we have written here. Then next we have cot 90 minus theta. Okay, so now what is cot 90 minus theta? It is adjacent upon opposite, so that we will get it as AB upon BC. The next one is sec 90 minus theta. So what is the ratio of sec? That is hypotenuse upon adjacent. So you will get AC upon AB. And finally we have cosec 90 minus theta. So what is cosec 90 minus theta? So that is hypotenuse upon opposite, AC upon BC. Now we have written these ratios for 90 minus theta also, and for for theta also. Okay. Now if we bring these ratios together, so let us bring it together now. Now, if you look at these ratios, it can be seen that whatever is the value of sine theta, that is AB upon AC, the same is for cos 90 minus theta, that is AB upon AC. So what can we say? Let us link it, okay? We will just highlight this one, okay? So sine theta and cos 90 minus theta, they both are having same ratios, that is AB upon AC. Okay, then next let us see. Now cos theta and sine 90 minus theta. Now what is the value of cos theta? BC upon AC, and sine 90 minus theta, it is also BC upon AC. So we can say that cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Why? Because their ratios are already equal. Now let us see next one. Okay, next we have tan theta. Now tan theta is AB upon BC. Now check here which one is having AB upon BC. So we have it for, yes, cot 90 minus theta. So we can say that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Okay, why? Because their ratios are equal. The next one, now check, cot theta is BC upon AB. So now which one is having BC upon AB? So it is tan 90 minus theta. So we can say that cot theta is equal to what? Tan 90 minus theta. The next one we have AC upon BC. So here we have to check which one is, which ratio is having AC upon BC. So here we have AC upon BC for cosec 90 minus theta. So what can we say? That sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Okay, and finally we have cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Okay, so now from this what do we come to know? That sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta, and cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Now in other words we can say that sine theta and cos theta, they are what? They are nothing but the complement of each other. Why? Because the value of sine theta is equal to what? The value of cos 90 minus theta. So what is the complementary of sine 90 sine theta? So it will be cos 90 minus theta. So that relation we have written it here. So here it can be seen that now sine theta is equal to what? Cos 90 minus theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. And cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Okay. So what can we say? That these all are nothing but the complement of each other. Okay. Now let us solve one example. Suppose we are given with one value. Okay. We are having sine 30 degree. Okay, and the question is given as find the complement of this sine 30 degree. Okay, so what we will do? Solution. Directly we can write sine 30. It can be written as cos 90 minus 30. Okay, so now what is this complement of sine 30? That is cos 90 minus 30. So that equals to cos 60 degree. Okay, so here what we have done, we have represented sine in terms of cos. Okay, so sine 30, its complement is cos 60. Okay, so in this way, in the next period we will solve some more examples and this will be more clear to you people. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.